Hey guys, it's Bob with JohnyTechReview, and I hope you guys are all doing well. So recently, this company here called ROCWARE sent me out this unit of a webcam, and they want me to take a look at it. So I was like, oh, it looks pretty interesting. I saw a few reviews on YouTube, and it says a soundbar, and I was like, what's up with that? So I checked it out. Turned out it has a built-in little speakers, and then it has a camera right out, and then this little infrared / laser kind of autofocus. So it has autofocus. It does 2K video. And it has just, you know, pretty typical mounting for laptop and monitor. And what's cool about this one is I like the fact that you can also rotate it, which is different from some of the other one that I use. On top you have a mechanical shut-off switch for the cover. You can cover the camera, but it also actually find out on software they actually turn the camera off also. And in the back of the unit there's a little touch sensitive button that you press and you can mute the microphone. It's a USB-C cable, so you can use really any USB-C cable. It does come with one, so that's what it looks like. Pretty nice hefty unit, so let's talk about it. I'm gonna switch to my computer and show you guys some example of the picture quality and also the audio quality. So using this as a soundbar as an example, right in front of my monitor here, you can see that I have it cranked up. I just have one of my random YouTube video right here. Volume is currently cranked up 100%, and on YouTube it's also 100%. So this is as loud as it's gonna get on a regular video that I have. This is my video. That's an LCD screen, and you have to turn on this device first before you can use this. Alright guys, so I have the light plug in just to demonstrate a few things on the main. I know it's not a true representation to the microphone, but you know, from my perspective, it's loud enough, it doesn't crack, but it's really not that loud compared to like headphone or speakers that you have. I have these nice Logitech speaker here. So I'm gonna play one of the YouTube songs, so to give you an idea. This is as loud as it's gonna get. So I would say the speaker on this thing is a tiny little speaker, as you can see. It's a little bit tinny. There's really no bass or anything like that. Mid-range, you can hear. It's kind of empty, hollow. So yeah, it's good to serve as a, I would say, conference speaker where you can hear other people talking if you're making a call. But other than that, you know, it was not really enjoyable for music. I would have dedicated headphone or speakers for that. With this lighting, which is like very challenging for webcam, you know, really bright background. I'm not front lit or anything like that, so you can see. Looks pretty good. The focus is struggling a little bit in this condition, but for example, you can see right here, if I put my hand up like this, focus right in my hand pretty fast, put it down, back to my face, or my camera is kind of hovering around a little bit. So that kind of gives you an idea. Pretty depth, and you can see it hunting a little bit in the back, struggling now. But if let me see, turn this bar up and get myself a little bit of light here. Let's see. You can see a little bit better, but I would say with good lighting, it works really well. I'm going to demonstrate just a little, what do you call, cover here. If you push it all the way, it's going to show the camera's offline. So not only mechanically is closing it, it actually probably have a switch now to let you know that the camera's disabled and show you here on the screen. So you're getting a feed, but that feed basically say the camera's off and it's not recording anything. I'm going to open it right back up here, give it a second. Sometimes there's a little bit of delay. There you go, you can see it come right back up. So from a audio perspective, I'm going to show you guys that right now. So I'm going to use Audacity here to test the sound quality from the microphone. First, I'm going to switch to my Blue Yeti, and I'm going to do the recording from my Blue Yeti. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, testing. This is the Blue Yeti. Alright, I'm going to stop. And I'm going to go right here and change this to the ROCWARE RC08. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, typing again, talking, typing. This is the RC8 ROCWARE. Alright, let's play it back and see what it sounds like. Testing, testing, this is the Blue Yeti. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, typing again, talking, typing. This is the RC8 ROCWARE. So you can see right now, I think the sound quality is kind of different, definitely noticeable. Of course, the Yeti has a lot more dynamic and to it, and so it's a lot more fuller. As far as the ROCWARE being able to pick up and noise cancellation sound, it's feel about the same as the Yeti. I'm very close to my keyboard, the bottom here, and I can definitely hear the typing. So definitely the noise cancellation, at least in this case, doesn't work that well. So right now I am playing some music on Alexa behind me. 1, 2, 3 testing. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. Alright, let's take a look. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. So as you can see though, it's actually picking up a lot of stuff in the background. So I don't know, the mic noise cancellation actually worked out well. Overall, I think for the price, about 60 bucks or so, I think this is a pretty good solid unit. I do like the fact that the camera is really good quality. It does seem like in the little bit dark lighting or really challenging background lighting, it hung a little bit, but in my other room where I am in a good room for my work, in that experience actually it's really good, and it's always stay in focus. So I like that. I also like the fact that it's a quick mute button and the hard mechanical close shutter, which is really nice. On the flip side, it advertised to have a noise cancellation features, microphone, and this look like there's 3 mic in this unit. As you can hear from my demonstration, whether music is in the background, I can't imagine my kid yelling. But keyboard typing, that kind of thing, it does pick up noise. So I don't know where the noise cancellation feature kick in. I hope you guys enjoy just quick little review of my ROCWARE RC08 camera. Again, thank you ROCWARE for sending this unit for me to review. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment box down below. I'm gonna leave a link to the description in the box if you guys want to pick one up. If you guys enjoy this video, please leave a like, and if you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel for more future reviews. Thank you.